Jai Shri Ram. Sri Krishna says, one who, whether respected or disrespected, yeah, revered or not revered, cursed or even condemned or criticized, one who is forbearing in all these situations is himself a pilgrimage. He is a tirtha. Manito amanito vapi. Manito amanito va api. Pujito अपूजितो अपिवा पूजितो अपूजितो अपिवा आकृष्टस्त अर्जितो वापि आकृष्टस्त अर्जितो वापि क्षमावान् तीर्थमुच्यते क्षमावान् तीर्थमुच्यते one who forgives everyone, whether he is respected or disrespected, condemned, cursed, criticized, whatever be the situation. If he is forbearing in all these situations, such a person himself is a pilgrimage. Are you willing to become a pilgrimage? Wonderful, isn't it? We waste so much money, time going to so many pilgrimages. Why can't we become a pilgrimage ourselves? Instead of Char Dham, you become the ultimate dham. Manito amanito vapi pujito apujito va apujito vapi pujito apujito pi va. Either way, pujito apujito vapi akristasta arjito vapi akristasta arjito vapi क्षमावान तीर्थमुच्यते क्षमावान तीर्थमुच्यते. जय श्री राम.